Hi everybody! So this is my Christmas holiday corner. It's clearly not decorated, so let's change that. That's better. So I thought I would do something like 25 days of Christmas. Each day I'm going to make a different ornament and share it with you guys. It'll be from a different YouTuber. I've looked up some ornaments I thought were really cute and easy to make, so I can make one each day. And I'll put it on my tree. This is my little Charlie Brown tree. I bought it when I got my first studio apartment years and years and years ago. I've put it up every year. Don't care if I get a bigger tree, this is still going up. So I thought I would add the ornament each day to my little tree. And then I have two advent calendars, one for not just crocheters, but people who are crafty, and a chocolate calendar. So I'll open one of those up each day and I'll share with you what I get. And also I'll share with you the ornament. So today's ornament is going to be a star that I saw from another YouTuber. I'll input the link to their channel. And also my favorite movie that I want to share with you guys today is This Christmas. I watch it every year. I remember watching it in movie theaters like in 2000, whatever, when it came out with friends. And then one of my favorite Christmas songs is Twinkle Twinkle Little Me by Stevie Wonder. So I hope you enjoy that. I'll put in the description also where you can find this movie and watch it on streaming services. And also a link to Stevie Wonder's Twinkle Twinkle Little Me so you can listen to it on YouTube. But anyway, so this is what the ornament looks like. And this is my version of the star. I think it came out really cute. I'm going to give this one away to a family member. I bought these Christmas boxes, so I'll put the ornament in one of these little boxes. The big one I made is still drying. I use this Stiffen Quick spray, and then these ornament hooks I bought from Walmart, so it's still drying. I'll put a picture of it at the end of the video, or I'll take a picture of it on the tree once it's done drying. It needs to dry for like an hour. But let's open the item for an advent calendar. So I got this from Etsy. And yeah, let's see what the first item is. So we're going to start from the first day. So day one, this is what the inside of the calendar box looks like. So the first item. So this is box number 1. Right. So we have like the buttons, button fasteners. 2 of them, they're green, and we have descriptions in the box, so I want to read it, but I want to kind of be surprised by the other items, so I'm just gonna, it gives you this in the box. It says day 1 is 2 colored snap fasteners, 18 millimeters, painted, sewn on brass snap buttons to support your creativity. So hopefully I can use this to make something cute, but that's day 1. And then for our chocolate calendar, I just got this from my local supermarket. So day 1. I am struggling. It's a little chocolate like egg. Yep. So this is day 1 of the advent calendar. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hope you come back each day and see the different ornaments I make and the different things I get in the calendar. Hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you have a wonderful December 1st. Bye!